In this lab, we'll configure Inter-VLAN routing using router on a stick for VLAN 10, HR, and VLAN 20, IT. Let's get started. PC1 is in VLAN 10, PC2 is in VLAN 20, both connected to the switch. The switch connects to the router via trunk. Let's assign IP and gateway to PCs. Create VLANs, assign ports to VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Configure GI01 and GI02 as access ports to VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 respectively. Then configure GI03 as a trunk port towards the router. You can see GI01 assigned to VLAN 10 and GI02 assigned to VLAN 20. GI03 is configured as trunk port. Now save the configuration. Let's move to router configuration. On the router, configure subinterfaces for VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 with IPs acting as default gateways on interface GI00. PCs in different VLANs can communicate through the router. This is router-on-a-stick inter-VLAN routing. This is how Inter-VLAN routing works with router-on-a-stick. Next, we'll explore the faster alternative using a layer 3 switch. Stay tuned.